Proper maintenance helps your Toyota last longer. Here at Toyota of Puyallup, our multi-point inspection ensures your Toyota's fluids and major systems deliver the highest performance. Our Toyota certified factory-trained technicians check your tires for correct pressure, tread depth, damage, abnormal wear, and alignment issues. We check all your vehicle's filters and essential safety components, including wiper blades and washers, exterior lights and signals. Under the vehicle, our technicians check your brakes, shock absorbers, suspension and steering components, exhaust system, drive shafts, and fuel lines. Our skilled technicians perform a battery test and check the condition of all the powertrain components and vital fluids while inspecting for any potential leaks. If we see any issues throughout the inspection, we will send a photo or video right to your phone to keep you up to date. Be sure and schedule your complimentary multi-point inspection with Toyota of Puyallup today.